Namaste. Myself Gnaneshwari. I am a fourth year BMS student of Bapuji Ayurvedic Medical College, Shimoga. Today I am going to deal with the topic Modified Lifestyle Open the Door of Cardiac Disease. As years increasing, the science is progressing and our lifestyle is also modifying. This modified lifestyle, this new adoption opened the door for many diseases, especially cardiac diseases. Lifestyle related diseases are now the leading cause of death worldwide. It's killing 36 million people per year. Among them, deaths of CVD is 48%. Here CVD means cardiovascular disease. It's the diseases of heart and vascular system. It includes ischemic heart disease, atherosclerosis, aneurysm, etc. Before going to naming ceremony of any disease, the cause of disease is Visheshana Tridosha. For the cause of Visheshana Tridosha is Ahara, Vihara and Manasika Vichara. The main treatment thing is Nidana Parivarjana. So, the diseases are caused due to the changes in the Ahara, Vihara and Manasika Vichara. So now the Karna treatment is also the changing Ahara, Vihara and Manasika Vichara in healthy manner. We have shifted our life in such a manner, traditional food to fast food, manual work to machinery work, healthy living style to wealthy comfort zone, hunger changed into taste, feelings, relations turned into DP, status, so on. These modifications made us prey to deadly diseases like CVD. The body has its own biological wisdom to heal itself. I am going to tell that it can produce itself diuretics, tranquilizers, antibiotics, sleeping pills, so on. It produces itself what it needs. If we are supporting it, it will give proper feedback. Strong and clear that nowadays with turning calendar as year is increasing, but our efficacy of life is decreasing due to our adoption to modern lifestyle. Basically, the lifestyle of a person is displayed in the form of Ahara, Vihara and Manasika Vichara. And Lord Krishna has also said that in Bhagavad Gita, Yukta Ahara Viharasya Yukta Cheshtasya Karmasu Yukta Swapnava Bodhasya Yogo Bhoti Dukkha. Person who follows proper Ahara, Vihara, Cheshta, Karma and Nidra, that person will be free from Dukkha. Here Dukkha is nothing but the disease. Coming to Ahara, it's one among the Upastamba. Acharya Kashyapa has mentioned that na chahara samam kinchit vaishajyam upalabhyate shakyate apena matrena nara kartu niramaya. The person who is taking proper ahara, there is no necessity of taking any vaishajya. That ahara only acts as a bheshaja and the person always healthy. Ahara Vaishamya is the main cause for aswasthya. As world is growing in the name of progress, development, everyone has adapted fast life. It means everything is fast. Premature births, early deaths, reduced lifespan, so on. We are addicted to fast food. We love highly decorated eatables. The ridiculous thing is we have more bakeries, fast food centers than vegetable and fruit centers. We are ready to purchase costly fruit juices, refrigerated fruits and vegetables with chemical adulteration, but not fresh fruits and vegetables. Once upon a time, farming is the way of living, it's the way of life, but nowadays it also adulterated with the pesticides, fungicides, herbicides. We are eating this much of sides, it will end with the self-suicide. Refined, polished items plays role in the causing CVD in many ways. Most of the things what we eat are prepared with maida, vanaspati, and the things what we love to eat is junk food. These things processed with the processes like deep frying, refrigerating, artificial agents, flavorings, colorings, infinite improper unhealthy things. For example, maida, it contains a chemical called alloxan. It destroys insulin producing cells in pancreas. It causes diabetes, and diabetes is also a leading cause for CVD. Vanaspati is prepared from the cholesterol of dead animals. This may lead to formation of plaques in arteries. It causes atherosclerosis. Junk foods, it fried in impure mineral oil. It's nothing but paraffin wax, which is odorless kerosene. I'm going to tell that most of us love fast food. Pizza, burger, noodles, it's endless list. And the most concentrating and more noticing thing is we are calculating the quantity. We are stick to standardized values of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. We are calculating calories. My body needs this much calories, so I will eat this much. If I am hungry or not, it's not matters. We are not thinking about our Agni and our body. We are not thinking about our Agni. And we know the concept of Ahara Matra Punaragni Balopikshani. Ahara Matra, it's based on the Bala of the Agni and the different person having the different capacity of eating. It's based on their Agni and their Prakriti. Not only what we are eating, how we are eating, it also matters. Karana, Sanyoga, Rashi, Desha, Kala, Upayoga, Upayukta, these all are matters. Way of preparation, way of eating, time of consumption. Not only this, Manasika Avastha of cook, utensils, all these things matters. And the Patya Patyas of Garbhini, Sutika and Manovastha of the mother will decide the health of child. Viruddhahara, we cultivated, we addicted to these things, Viruddhahara. Knowingly, we are doing Prajnaparada in this concept. And Akala Bhojana, Adhyashana, Anashana, Vishamashana, these become our routine. Due to our busy schedule, we have adapted these things. Intake of these all directly or indirectly causes or predisposing factors for this silent killer disease, CVD. Akala Bhojana, if we are not hungry, the food is tasty, we will eat. If we are hungry, we are having work, we will neglect. Adhyashana, it's tasty, we will eat more and more. Anashana, it's tasteless, we will not eat anything. These are the predisposing factors for the CVD. Is it really modified Ahara, Vidhi Vidhana? It matters. Yes, of course it matters. The Sukhasana, it also influences the Agni. It activates the enzymes, and the eating with hand, it stimulates brain to release enzymes, to activate enzymes. But now we all are eating with the forks, spoons, chopsticks, so on. 5 fingers represent the Panchamahabhuta. These all are directly or indirectly it influencing on the Agni, it influencing on our body enzymes. So it helps in the digestion. Coming to Vihara, science has made our life very easy. That's why we became physically inactive. 35% of mortality is due to the physical inactivity in CVD. And the 30 to 50% of physical inactive persons are having risk to get CVD. Coming to Nidra, we love night parties, we love night studies, we love night traveling. So, we know the thing is the Ratri Nidra is supports like a Dhatri. Then also we are neglecting these things. This impairs the biological clock. And coming to smoking, cigarette smoking, it is the toxic mixture of 7,000 chemicals. It changes the blood chemistry. Excessive conscious about built. If I take one bolus more, then our weight will increase. Like that, the thinking of the person has changed. Excessive consciousness about build. We will get two category of people. One category is what he see, he will eat everything. He don't have any idea about his agni, his hunger. He don't know the anything. He will eat. And another category is the person is hungry, then also he will take. If I eat, I will become fat. Like that. These two categories people we will get. And Vega Dharana. Due to our busy schedule, we are not responding to our nature call. These are also causes for the CVD. Sedentary works, night shifts, modified daily equipments, mobile, TV, video games, etc. And we have cultivated these things and we don't have the time to think about Dinacharya, Rutucharya and Ratricharya. These changes we made, fieldwork changed to desk jobs, outdoor plays into indoor play, and these modifications modified viharas dragging our health, and it also affecting on the joints, muscles. When joints are immobile, they start to lose normal range of motion, especially end range of motion. Muscle work as guide wires to stabilize the spine. Sustained poor posture creates imbalance in these muscles. And coming to Manasika Avastha, obviously we are eating Rajasika and Manasika Ahara. It affects on our Manasika Pravritti also. Irsha, Dvesha, Bhaya, Kama, Krodha, Matsarya. These things, excessive attachments to materialistic life, competitive in every aspect, unsatisfaction in everything, never-ending desires, arguments, feelings brought up to the tip of the fingers, one in another way, everyone is having any psychological problem among these: worry, fear, tension, anxiety, panic, stress, depression, work, sadness, so on. Satyavadinam, Akrodam, Adhyatma Pravanendriyam, Shantam, Sadruta Niratam, Vidya Nitya Rasayanam. Satyavada, Akrodha, Adhyatma Pravana, Shantata, Sadruta, these acts like a Nitya Rasayana. And knowingly or unknowingly, we have cultivated modified lifestyle to get rid of these ill effects. We have to undergo Shodhana as we will take our vehicles to service. Like that, we have to undergo Shodhana based on Rutus. It's all about my topic. Thank you.